everybody, it's Debbie. Welcome. You're at your home, your happy place. Thank you for joining me today. Today, I am going to take you on a trip, and then we're going to do a haul from that trip. One store I didn't get to the last time I was out in Ozark, and that was Ozark's Bloomland Square. And if you've been watching my Christmas videos, you'll see that I have, over the years that I've been here, which has only been 2, this is like the 3rd Christmas, I have bought a lot of things there. And really, I mean, their prices vary from very inexpensive to a nice chunk, depending on what it is, obviously. But I get mostly very budget-friendly items, really budget-friendly. So we'll start with the tour and end with the haul. And I'll tell you a little bit more about where you can get those things. And I'm going to tell you if I can remember some of the prices, because there's something right here next to me that I was so shocked on the price I couldn't even believe. So let's take a tour, and I'll see you for treasures after the tour.
Hurry now, should have been done by now. Seems we're running late. Let's put the food on the table, fast as we're able. Guests are coming at 8. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters. Just look up in the December night. There is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on. Simmer down, pass a big smile around. Now that everything is gold, the children hunker down to see what's hidden beneath the Christmas tree. Look but not touch, they're told. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters. Just look up in the December night. There is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on. Look up in the December night. There is one on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on. Who would have thought that Christmas could bring tears to my eyes? Don't get me wrong, still enjoy full times. We're gonna sing this song. Look at the snow, it's Christmas, and there's our mistletoe. Among all the gifts and all the Christmas cards, I think of you, don't forget. I ring a bell for those who have nothing, so lend a helping hand. And if you do the very best you can, it won't be hard to understand. And that's how we know it's Christmas for every girl and boy. And you can be sure it's tears of joy. Happy Christmas to you. It's Christmas for every girl and boy, and you can be sure it's tears of joy. Happy Christmas, happy Christmas, happy Christmas, happy Christmas to you.
So I hope that was fun for you. I had some things I was looking for, specifically gold trees or gold angels for my mantle. But I'm going to start with something because I really wanted to do something up in my sitting room, which we haven't done yet for Christmas. Oh, in the fall, I had bought some special art for that and changed out my coastal. And I wasn't having any luck online. And so when I went into the store, they had quite a few wonderful pieces. So I found this, which was so cute. And it's wood. $15.99, you guys. Now they had a set so you could get something else. So I'm gonna have 2 of these on one side of the cabinet. And then they had another piece that was long. And I haven't looked at this in a while. Okay, and it says, Hello Winter, which again, this is something I can keep up for the next season coming into February. What do you think? And this one was how much? $19.99. So a really great option if you're looking, you know, it's just wood and painted, and I loved it. I know there's another sign here, so I'm gonna just pull it out. I could have bought an entire scene, you know, a table with everything on it or a cupboard with everything in it. It was really spectacular. So they had this shown in several rooms, you know, they kind of set up rooms, and I just really loved it. I don't have a clue where it's going right now. It says Walking in a Winter Wonderland. I've got some rooms that I decorate in green. So, I mean, it would be gorgeous in here. I just don't have wall space for it. It's really, really pretty. Okay. Let's see what this is. I'm unwrapping these things. I haven't seen them in over 2 weeks, so I don't even know what I have. Oh, this is adorable. I feel like maybe there's 2. Oh, he lost his wreath. So he's really just holding that. Okay, look at this little Santa. You know, I've got a lot of, again, in this room, there's a lot of that white winter wonderland. I've got the deep green in it, but I feel like this would work in some of my other bedrooms as well. I must have picked up 2. They had different, oh. Where was I wanting silver? I can't even remember now. I have no idea. While I was almost checking out, I'm like, gee, you don't have any silver trees then, I guess. And in my mind, I'm not even sure where I was going to do silver, but this one is one like you could probably find at a Hobby Lobby. It is very sparkly, and I must have picked up 2. I think they had 3 sizes in this. That one was not inexpensive to me. That was $24. So I think this is another Santa. The Santas were $17.99. And again, just really, really pretty. I mean, something like this is small enough. It could be on a mantle. It could be in your kitchen in a vignette, in a curio cabinet. It's small enough it could be on a bedside table. I mean, it's just beautiful. And to have a set of them, it always helps because then you can split them up and bring continuity to your room or have them in the same little scene. I thought they were gorgeous. Okay, that bag's empty. Oh, no, it's not. One more thing in there. I love distressed looking pots. Okay, so this was $32 and it looks completely, it's metal, looks completely rusted out. But I love the shape. I love that look. I could use this year round. They had some balls. So you guys know I love my, moss balls. And maybe I've seen these before. Oh, I didn't know they had ropes on them. Oh, really? So these could be ornaments. Oh my gosh. I just loved it. It was twine with snow on it, and they were like, I don't know, $3.99 or something. I can't see. Anyway, let me grab another one here. Yeah, they are ornaments. For heaven's sake. I had no idea. Yeah, they were $3.99. That is gorgeous. So I really bought them for the bowl, and I just grabbed stuff. This is not part of it. So where's the rest of that I bought? Oh, I grabbed some berries. My lap is filling up. Oh, I grabbed some, okay. They had some little stems of cedar that are like the true feel, and these were $2.99. And then I grabbed, I guess, just one set of berries. But the reason was I'm gonna work that in here with this. And I don't know if I have any more balls or not, but really cute idea. I think that'll look really good in my lower level, which I haven't really decorated. I got down there. So this is a Christmas tree. This may be a silver one too. Okay. So we have another silver one, a tall one. I just need to think of where the silver's going because I have no idea. They had some of the most gorgeous candlestick holders or candle pillar holders. This one was pricey at $42. Really gorgeous. Now you could do so much with this. Wow. And I mean, in the right place, these are not to scale, but let's just say, I was doing, so you could turn it into a magnificent riser. You could put one of those gorgeous balls with some of that stuff around it. I mean, there's so much you can do, but they had it set up with this beautiful candle ring. Maybe, I don't even know that would be a candle ring, and a candle in it, which is what I am going to do with it. Love that. Okay, guys. Love it. Is that bag empty? Yes. Okay, we're tracking right along here. Let me go grab a couple of the other items. I feel like I had more stuff from them, and I got home and I just put it out, and I'm not sure where it is. So this was one of the gold trees I found, and it's definitely sparkly and frosted. So I have one like this and one shorter, and then the other one was this gold, which also will look beautiful on my mantle in the dining room. And I don't think these were inexpensive. $32 for that one. So I think this one was probably the same or a little more. And then these are so bold and beautiful. More candlestick holders. These are so lightweight, and yet they look like they'd be so heavy. Oh my gosh. I mean, right now I just watched Liz do her dining room, and I'm just, this would fit perfectly in with her decor. I'm doing quite a bit of red in my kitchen, so I don't know if it's going to be in there or not because I pretty much had it done, and we'll see. I don't think I've got any red going in my bedroom, but regardless, it was one of those things. It's like, whether I use it this year or not, it's a treasure. So while I was visiting my son, I was out to the stores. Long story made short is I decorated both of their homes for Christmas, or at least assisted one of them, and went shopping for both of them. So I could have had so many videos, but oh well, it didn't happen. So maybe next year I can show you some of the things we got when they put it out next year. But while I was there, oh my goodness, I had shown you some of these collectibles. So this is the one that I had probably seen on Amazon. And of course, it's the Blue Sky Christmas clay hand-painted houses, I guess is what, I don't know what else all to call them. This is gorgeous. So I loved it. I picked that one up for a song. I think these were like $99 on Amazon, and maybe, I don't know, I could be wrong. This one's $25 there. I do know this one was at least that, if not more. What is going on here? Oh, they wrapped that. Okay, that's fine. Okay, this is Rudolph's, I forget, Rudolph's Flight, I think it's called. So they put plastic over that for me. This is a very large one, very detailed. I mean, they don't leave anything, like there's even a window and cuteness in the back. So this one was only $39. You guys, what a beautiful piece. I mean, this is a keepsake. Look at, is that, well, that's a reindeer out here on the, I mean, it's just adorbs. So thanks for joining me today and spending time. I appreciate your comments, your concern, love, and prayers. It's been so wonderful for our family. And if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to push the thumbs up button for us. And my links are below. If you go through my links to shop, at least through Amazon, even if you're not buying my products, I will still get a small commission that doesn't cost you anything, and I appreciate it. For those of you who are on Instagram, I have posted a few things lately. I'm trying, and also in my Pinterest account. But a lot of it is the same things you're seeing on my channel. So if you're not into it, don't worry about it. But if you are, I'd love to have you follow me at both of those places, because it'll help me grow there too. All right, I will see you next time, and I'm not going to tell you when that is at the moment. I just can't tell you. I'm a little bit, like I said, overwhelmed, and I'm not sure when I'm going to fit in the filming, etc. But I hope to get back on track very, very soon. And I will see you next time. Make your home your happy place, and Merry Christmas.